Carzio was born out of the vision of the promoters of Autoz Spa to offer a high-end car cleaning and detailing center experience to the discerning consumers of today. With enhanced demand for luxury cars and SUVs, the Indian market has seen an explosion in the number of first-time premium and luxury car owners. Clearly, there is a gap in the market to cater to the needs of such premium and luxury car owners requiring trusted, international and state-of-the-art car cleaning and detailing services. Sensing this real opportunity, we would like to introduce you to a new and unique business model that we have created based on our rich experience of over a decade in this industry. Why should you look at car detailing business? Firstly, India is today the fourth largest country in terms of manufacturing cars, with a very solid domestic market growing healthily every year. Second, owning a car is a status symbol in society, therefore keeping the exteriors swanky and the interiors clean and hygienic is a necessity of every car owner. Third, there is high disposable income today, with more nuclear families and many households having more than one car. Why Carzio franchise in particular? Firstly, Carzio is an ISO 9001 2015 certified car detailing company and a member of the prestigious IDA, International Detailing Association. Second, we demonstrate the highest levels of integrity and use only high-quality international branded products sourced directly from the importer or company. Third, Carzio is today well poised to make a name for itself in the premium car wash and detailing market, given the rich experience of its promoters. Fourth, we offer the largest range of coating services, with the ceramic coating being our specialty. Fifth, our team are equipped to consistently execute their tasks as they are trained comprehensively under the supervision of our technical head. Sixth, we provide a foolproof template for location search based on our well-researched real estate strategy. Seventh, we provide a 360-degree layout plan for your identified premises with detailed drawings and help you build your center to world-class standards. Eighth, we have incorporated a testing laboratory in our center to give auditable reports on key parameters to our consumers which clearly demonstrate the efficacy of our workmanship. Ninth, you will receive marketing support from the corporate marketing team based at our headquarters in Surat, Gujarat. 10th, every new franchisee is provided a business kit containing business stationery, branding material, and all standard operating procedures in the form of detailed online manuals. 11th, Carzio will assist you in developing a marketing plan for your territory suited to best utilize the local opportunities. 12th, we provide you with a customized software that includes billing and CRM. We will also be providing alerts to our consumers on the status of their service and the expected time of delivery. 13th, attractive ROI commensurate with the investment made. One of the best returns in the entire franchising industry. So, for franchise inquiry, call Brijesh at 9898288444 or write to brijesh@carzio.in. Thank you for your time.